This is the bag I've been waiting for. Let's get into it. I've been really excited about this bag for a long time. Not knowing it was coming though. Not knowing like, oh, it's coming and I should be excited for it. But it's a bag that I've wanted. I love Trakke. I love wax canvas. I'm a bit of a heritage fiend. Like, that's my jam. And what I've always really liked about Trakke is I think they make good, really clean, functional products. And I've got an old V1 Bannoch, and as much as I love it, my go-to problem has always been, as a 6-foot guy who weighs 220 pounds, the 17 litres is a little bit small on me. And as a guy who's a photographer and who carries a lot of gear, 17 litres again is a little bit too small for me. So when Alec reached out to me and said, hey, it's coming, do you want to have a look? We obviously said yes. So let's start with the basics, right? The Bannoch Pro is 25 litres over 17. That's a pretty big difference. It's about a 30% increase in the bag, and I think it makes it all the more versatile. You're getting more loadout options, obviously with the new access, which we'll talk about, makes a huge difference too. But notably, I think it rides better, and at least for a bigger guy, I just find it more comfortable. I find it less pinchy. I find it doesn't feel kind of unbalanced on my back. No matter loadout I've had in this over the last 4 or 5 days, it's really kind of been pretty comfortable because of that bigger size, because of that slightly chunkier harness, and it's a really good step up. So what's different versus the old Bannoch? Well, I mean, the most obvious one is the visual one that you see, which is, if I swing this off my shoulder for you, full clamshell opening you've got now. And the clamshell opening is obviously makes a huge difference in how you load out the bag, how you can pack it, how you can unpack it. You can reach in and grab something at a moment's notice if you want to, because you've got the double zippers. And that makes a huge difference to how versatile this bag is and how many different ways you can use it, whether it's as a camera bag, whether it's an EDC bag, maybe even a pseudo short travel bag. And I think, you know, for me, that makes a huge difference. I really like clamshell openings for their versatility because it kind of stops limiting me, but also for ease of use, right? For unloading, reloading, changing loadouts, whatever it might be, I find it really useful. When I opened the box with the Bannoch Pro, I was really excited. Firstly, incredible color as always. Like, I really like the port color because I don't think anyone else is doing a color like that really in the industry. So it's always nice to mix it up between my olives and my blacks and stuff like that. And this currently comes in the olive, the port, the whiskey and the black, but I chose the port. I think it's a nice smart color, kind of bit of fun but also nice and clean. But when I opened that box, I was like, this is really clearly an evolution for Trakke. This is all the things they've learned from their other bags, all the design changes that have happened over their last 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't know exactly how many years it was since the Bannoch came out, but it feels like a really clear growth from that viewpoint. It feels like, oh, we can make that tweak, oh, we can add this. And you'll see in some of the studio footage we've got like just small touches, like the elasticated water bottles, okay? Like the COBRA clips being hidden under the lip of the lid, like the quick access pocket, which we're gonna look at in a minute. It feels like a really grown up bag, and I don't mean that in a condescending way. I mean that in a like, this is a buy it for life bag. This is a bag that's gonna look after you on whatever journey you take, whether it's going out for your daily commute, whether it's going on your weekend trips with your wife, whether it's taking photography gear in a bit more of a subtle, streamlined, you know, elegant package. This bag really does offer a lot. And it's great to say that because I think that's what consumers are wanting more. That's what we as buyers want more. We want bags that can do multiple things. As much as we love our collections, we don't necessarily want one for every day of the week. It's great to have something that feels like it could really do it all. And this puppy, this really feels like it could do it all. So let's go into some of the features as we wander around, and I'll tell you what I think of it so far. One of the biggest things is now the COBRA load lifters. Now, I understand, you know, some people, COBRA, yes, no, maybe, whatever. I understand that. But I think on this bag, they're a really functional upgrade because once a bag hits 25 litres, you can suddenly start carrying a lot more stuff, and you can be hitting weights of 30 pounds maybe. And the COBRA load lifters are solid, and they don't have that pinch. I find sometimes the thinner ones, you know, they kind of start to pinch here under your arm. The COBRAs don't, they lie nice and flat here, as you can see. Right into my armpit there, don't worry, I have had a shower. I just think it makes it more elegant. I really like the black kind of disappears in the webbing, where sometimes the silver sticks out. And like as we've seen in the other footage, on the front here, we got the COBRAs hidden just underneath the lip there. Oh, they're so good, aren't they? They're just fun. If nothing else, they're a bit fun. That's all right. I think, you know, those kind of hardware choices are really good. We've got the double zipper that I showed you earlier here. That's really nice. So you kind of got that access without having to undo the whole bag. That's really great for when you're traveling with it, or I find when you're using it as a photography bag. I used this the other day with a cube in there, and it's great just to be able to reach in and grab a camera. On the back here, clean, 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 clean. Like, sometimes I think we get a bit caught up on harnesses, right? Like, not every harness needs to be able to summit Everest, Kilimanjaro, whatever. Sometimes it just needs to make me a little bit less sweaty when I get somewhere. I'm a hairy guy, right? I said it. I sweat a lot. And sometimes I just need a bit less sweat, and this does that. And that's all I really need from a bag. The other new addition to the Bannoch Pro is the side laptop access. So you can get that now without undoing your bag. And this is kind of what I was talking about with the versatility here. Like, no longer do you have to kind of get every single thing out of your bag to get what you want. There's lots of options with this Bannoch Pro that allow you to kind of pick and choose and move. And I think that feels like a really clear design intention, that the Bannoch Pro is supposed to be that kind of good all-rounder in their lineup. And it fits it for me, because if I'm taking this traveling, great, I can pull my iPad out on a plane. Okay, I don't want to undo my whole bag. Okay, well, you know what, maybe I'll go to the quick access pocket to get in my wallet. Oh, you know what, actually I've got to get my tech kit out. Great, I can just unzip the side without having to unload everything. And the side access here, you know, I think it fits up to a 16, which, you know, pseudo 17, depending on how beefy your laptop is. And the good thing is, because it's got that nice amount of kind of padding, not too much, you don't have that stiff as a board at your back when you put it in there. Now, the other thing that I really like that Trakke have added is they've added this quick access pocket. Now, we've all become a bit addicted to quick access pockets, right? Because they're really useful. So I love them for like just my real basic. This one with that beautiful AquaGuard zipper. I've got sunglasses, I've got a wallet, and I've got my AirPods. Try not to drop them out on the floor here. But what I really like about this quick access pocket, and I think this is DNA of all good quick access pockets, is it doesn't take up extra real estate. So the pocket actually only goes to about here on the top. I don't know if I can quite show you that. It goes to about there. So that means you've got enough room for like your stuff, but it keeps it on top of the bag, which keeps it a bit more protected. If the pocket was just this whole lid, I mean, you're swimming for stuff, you're trying to find stuff, and then no longer does it become a quick access pocket, it just becomes a dump pocket which you fill stuff in and can't get stuff when you need. And also I find, you know, when you put bags on aeroplanes or wherever it is, even in the car boot, like, this is the area that's going to take the beating, right? Sometimes you're going to stick it down, you're going to pick it up. So I'm glad that the pocket doesn't just fall into there, because, you know, I can see things getting lost, or not lost, but, you know, kind of having to dig for them and maybe even damaged a bit. Side pockets. Oh, yes, please. Now, I'm a hydration fiend, always have been, always will be, so I know maybe some other people, not to be named, don't drink much water, but I do. And these water bottle pockets are really great, all because of this elastic, right? On the original Bannoch V1, it was just a flat pocket, and I found that that took away some space on the inside. Now, it's not really a huge issue, but if you're carrying something a bit more rigid, let's say, for example, me, if I'm carrying a camera cube, it's impossible to get a water bottle in there. Whereas now, with this elasticated strap here, it stays away when it's not in use, and then when it is, just pops out. And that's a 20-ounce water bottle. That's a decent sized water bottle. Carryology Essentials still available. That makes a huge upgrade to me. I think that's nice, it's clean. When I use it as a camera bag, my tripod's in there. Obviously it's not right now because my camera's on a tripod. But yeah, it's just really nice. And I know that sounds really simple and stupid, but like, Trakke's calling card is making clean, functional, beautiful products. And this is the evolution of that. And I think it's a really handsome bag. And I think if I'm thinking about spending $450 on a bag, like, this is in that conversation because it hits everything that you want. And when I think about my shortcomings that I have with the Bannoch, which is arguably one of the most aesthetically pleasing bags out there, they've made it better. And that's really, really good to me. And what I love about they've made it better is they didn't just go, oh, we're going to slap some stuff on. They spent like 3 years figuring out the best way to adjust the lid with the pocket, the best way to kind of figure out the clamshell opening to make it Trakke-esque, not just a feature. And I think that really speaks to what you're getting with this bag. So what is there to say about the Bannoch Pro? It's pretty bloody good, to be honest. I've taken it with me quite a few places, and I know that's, you know, that's not enough to say it's the greatest bag ever made. But this is a really, really good bag. And I've seen a lot of them. I've played with a lot of them. And not many have ever captured me like the way the Bannoch originally did. And to see it upgraded, to see it improved and to see it evolved is really, really awesome. And I can see for me, this being a bag that maybe it's not an end game bag because people have stuff up their sleeves. Probably Alec has more stuff up his sleeve. But it's definitely a bag that I'm like, I want to use this. And I think that really counts for something. When you want to use a bag, when you want to take it with you, when you want to take it on your adventures, when you want to take it on those big life moments like weddings and childbirth and your holidays and whatever it is, I think that's a pretty good indictment, right, of how you feel about a bag when you want to use it. And the moment it's arrived, I just wanted to take it with me. I just wanted to go somewhere and do something with it. And that's what it's about, right? We're exploring better ways to carry because we want to go out and see the world. And when you can do it with a really handsome, really functional, fantastically executed bag like the Bannoch Pro, then I think we're getting pretty close, aren't we? So this is our first look. We'll have an in-depth review in a few months' time after we've been using it some more. But for now, keep an eye out for this one because it's going to blow you away. Bye.